Hi everyone! I'm delighted to have you join us today as we dive into the exciting world of Excel. I am Alicia, and together, we'll be exploring the third level of Excel. Our mission is to harness the remarkable capabilities offered by Excel through dedicated practice and exploration of new features, aiming to master our skills and significantly enhance our productivity and data analysis abilities. Looking up a specific value within a dataset is one of the most common tasks in Excel. Starting with Chapter 1, we'll learn about the lookup function of Excel, which corresponds to referencing a cell to match values in another row or column against the cell, and thereby retrieving the corresponding results from the respective rows and columns. Moving on, we'll explore everything necessary regarding formulas. This section will teach you how Excel highlights the different types of errors, the troubleshooting steps to figure out what may have gone wrong, techniques that can help you correct formula errors, and tips to avoid broken formulas. In continuing, you will familiarize yourselves with data validation, which allows you to restrict the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. Throughout Chapter 4, we will discuss data consolidation that allows you to gather together your data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summary it into a single worksheet that you can update easily. Proceeding to the next chapter, I will show you how you can create an external reference in Excel that is a reference to a cell or range of cells in another workbook. Also, how to create a hyperlink and how to create a 3D reference which refers to the same cell or range on multiple worksheets. Next, you will learn about enabling and working with the shared workbook feature, co-authoring versus sharing, sharing with track changes, protection and security in Excel, protecting a worksheet, and protecting a workbook. Continuing in Chapter 7, we will explore the forecasting tool, which is defined as a tool that helps businessmen cope with the future's uncertainty. It heavily relies on past and current data and analysis of trends. With forecasting, we are able to make necessary adjustments based on forecasted situations and scenarios. Moving forward, we will introduce the Scenario Manager, a great feature of Excel that will let you swap multiple sets of data in a worksheet and even compare them side by side. This technique can help you decide between multiple courses of action or what the implications are among several possibilities. Instead of creating different scenarios, you can also create a data table to quickly try out different values for formulas. I will show you how you can create a one-variable data table or a two-variable data table. Moving to Chapter 10, we will discuss the Goal Seek option that helps the user run all possible permutations and combinations to generate or achieve a target in the resultant cell. In the next module, we will discuss the Map Chart, which is an easy-to-use tool that is great for when you want to visualize geographic data on a map. Dark lines in Excel will be also introduced, describing graphs that fit in one cell. Last but not least, I will show you how to work with macros. Specifically, I will introduce you to Excel VBAs, which helps in automating tasks in Excel by writing the so-called macros. You will learn how to create a simple macro, how to use Macro Recorder, how to run a macro and assign a macro, how to add a macro to the toolbar, how to enable and disable macros, and how to protect macros. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Excel Level 3. Remember, the key to mastering Excel is patience and practice. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of Excel.